start. Hi guys, this is gooninwife and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with a very exciting video, which is my luxury haul. It's been so long since the last time I shared my luxury haul because I haven't been really buying a lot of luxury goods lately. Over the last several months, I've been collecting some luxury goods here and there. They are not brand new but pre-loved. I just fell in love with buying pre-loved luxury items because one, not only you can save a lot of money, but two, it's a lot more fun, I feel like. And nowadays there are so many great platforms and websites where you can buy pre-loved luxury items, so why not take advantage of them and save a lot of money. When it comes to buying pre-loved luxury items, my favorite websites that I use a lot are 중고나라 on Naver, 당근마켓 or carrot market, and 구구스. Besides this, I also use Vestiaire and other websites too, but those three sites are my favorite. I've got 5 items that I want to show you, and the first one is this ring from Chanel. This is a Coco Crush ring in color rose gold in size small. When I saw this ring on a magazine, I just fell in love with it and I really wanted to get this ring so badly. And I found this ring on 중고나라. The retail price of this ring in Korea is over 300만 won, but I bought it at around 200만 won. So I saved about $1,000 for buying secondhand. I like wearing this ring on my middle finger on my right hand, like so. And it's such a great statement piece, I feel like. Since it's made out of gold, it already has some scratch, but I didn't really mind it because even though I bought this brand new, after using it several times, it's going to get scratched anyways. And this ring came with a full package, including the shopping bag, case, leather pouch, and invoice. It even has a ribbon inside. And the second jewelry piece that I got is this Hermes Kelly bracelet. This one is in white leather in gold hardware. I've been wanting to get this bracelet for so many years. I even went to an Hermes boutique and they didn't have this bracelet in this color and this hardware. So I looked into 중고나라, 당근마켓 and everywhere, and I finally found this on 당근마켓. It also came with a box and a pouch inside. Overall, it's in a good condition. It has some scratch on the hardware, but it's not that noticeable. So this is what it looks like on my wrist. And the retail price of this bracelet in Korea is about 75만 won, and 당근마켓 I paid about 35만 won. So I saved 40만 won for this bracelet. So I'm very happy with this purchase a lot. And the next items that I'm going to show you are 2 pairs of shoes. And the first pair is this sandals from Hermes. Since I got pregnant, I only wear comfy shoes, and for summer I wanted to get a white sandal just like this. Oops. And I found these on 중고나라. When I first got them, they were in perfect condition. It was brand new, very clean. They also came with the box and original packaging and everything. These sandals were also very hard to find when you are trying to buy them brand new, but I was able to find them on 중고나라 in my size, which is 38. And the seller was very nice, so I had a really great experience with her. On the website, it doesn't have the exact same model, so I don't know the retail price of this, but the slipper version is selling for 80만 won, so I assume these are more expensive. But for buying them on 중고나라, I paid 90만 won. And the second shoes that I got pre-loved are these Manolo Blahnik suede mule in color black. And this one is size 38. And I got them from 구구스. It still has tags on it. I used to own another mule from them in color navy, but that one was in size 37 and they were a little bit too small on my feet. So I saw them on Gugusu and bought these. And I'm glad I bought them in black because it's much easier to match with my outfits and it's more versatile. I feel like they're super comfortable. I really love them. Unfortunately, these came with just these shoes. They didn't have the box, the pouch or anything, but the shoes are in great condition. I don't see any marks or anything. So the retail price of the same style shoes or mules are selling for 125만 7천 원. On Gugusu, I only paid 45만 원. So it's more than 50% off. Scored! And the last pre-loved items that I'm going to show you is a Chanel bag. It's a Chanel 2.55 flap bag in size large, and this one is in black calf leather with ruthenium hardware. This one was my dream Chanel bag. I always wanted to get this exact Chanel bag ever since I was in high school, I think. I actually love this bag more than the classic flap. But ironically, I only own classic flap bags in size medium and small. But the price of this bag or any other Chanel bags are going up outrageously. I think this bag is now selling for almost 1,000만 원, which is crazy. So I couldn't buy it brand new because it's too expensive. So I was looking for pre-loved market for this bag. The pre-loved price for this bag is usually about 300만 원 and 400만 원 depending on the condition of the bag. The seller that I found on 당근마켓, she was selling this for 420만 원. So the price of this bag was a little bit higher than I expected. But the condition of this bag is really great. She hardly used it. It has no marks, no scratch. Even the hardware doesn't have any scratch. That's how brand new this bag is. There's no scuffs or anything. It's such a great condition. And this is what the bag looks like. And when you open it, it has two flaps just like the classic flap. And it's the burgundy inside, and I bought this pouch that goes inside the bag. Because I bought this from the Preloved market, I saved more than 50% than the retail price, but it was still expensive. But the only downside of this bag is that it only came with this authenticity card. And the serial number starts with 14, which means that it's been several years since she bought this bag. Other than that, it didn't come with the box. It didn't have the receipt or anything. But it's okay. I don't mind it that much because I'm not planning on selling this bag anytime soon. If not, I'm going to keep this bag forever. I really love the size. Love the hardware. The classic flap that I have is medium size, so it's a lot smaller than this one. And that one is gold hardware, whereas this one has ruthenium hardware, which makes the bag even more casual. Still smells like brand new. So that's it for my luxury haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about buying secondhand items or anything, please leave comments down below. Of course, there are several things that you have to be very careful when you buy luxury items from secondhand market. You have to check if the item is authentic. You have to check the condition, and sometimes you have to negotiate the price and everything. But the journey of finding the right item is a lot more fun and you can save a lot of money. So if you're interested in buying a luxury item, I highly recommend looking for second-hand options. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.